Well, a proactive Sonia Gandhi setting the tone and tenor of this bitter battle with the opposition, Karthikeya, from the details that you're taking us through. Karthikeya, but a word about the Congress, a word about Sonia Gandhi. Alright, Karthikeya, I'm coming back to you in just a bit. Let's listen in to Mamata Banerjee, Trinamool chief. In fact, she was holding a press conference just a short while back. Karthikeya, I'll come back to you right now itself. Take us through this. Where exactly is this confidence of the Congress stemming from? First, they're coming out and offering a debate to the BJP not willing to buy it, and in doing so, losing some kind of ground, some kind of momentum in this fight back.
The Congress strategists feel that BJP made a cardinal mistake. And they feel that the cardinal mistake they made was that they really started from a very high note. Some of the Congress members were telling me, part of the group, they said that they could have taken a soft approach first and hardened it over a period of time. Now they have nothing but to look for a safe exit. And they understand that the Sonia Gandhi has taken a very hard line on this issue. She feels that the Congress has nothing to hide. They contest, or I would say the contesting view is that the CAG has employed a methodology on which the Congress doesn't agree. And plus, Nidha, you would agree on this count that there is no case of criminal intention unlike 2G where a minister went to jail. So that's a basic difference. And on that, the government case said this is a policy. And plus, you got 3 letters from the chief ministers of BJP rule set. But I would say that the bottom line or the takeoff of the story, Nidha, is that we have a very aggressive Sonia, we have a very hands-on Sonia, we have a Sonia which has taken the charge, and Sonia Gandhi just doesn't want the party or the government to be defended. She wants them to attack the opposition and attack them in a way that they find themselves in disarray.